Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to convert numbers to words, just like what you see right here in Microsoft Excel. Let me show you how. Like for instance, I'm going to take an example right here. I will come to the shell color right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in 3. So we want to convert this 3 here to words. So for that, we move to the next shell right here. And we want to make sure we type in equal to, having typed in equal to, next thing you want to do is go ahead and type in number to words, just like so. Next thing you want to do is to open a bracket, then letter A, and then enter 3, then close the bracket and hit enter. Then you have it successfully converted right here. However, there are some important settings you need to do before you can achieve this convert number to words in Microsoft Excel. One of the things you need to do is that you need to make sure you enable your developer tab right here. You can see my Excel here has been fully enabled developer tab. And for you to enable developer tab, first thing first, come to the sidebar right here and click on file, and then you want to come to more right here, and you want to make sure you click on options, and then this is going to pump up. You want to make sure you go to customize ribbon, and then you make sure that you come to this sidebar right here and make sure your developer here is checked, and then go ahead. This is developer right here. Make sure this place is checked and go ahead and hit on OK. Having done that, next thing you want to do is to come to the Excel home tab right here. You are going to see your developer tab right here. Everything you want to do has to be done inside the developer section. So once you get to your developer, come to the Visual Basic right here, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Insert tab. Go ahead and click on Module. So here you want to make sure you paste a code right here, and the code to this particular trick, I'm going to put it in the description of this video. Just check the description of the video and download the code in MS Word. So what you need to do after you successfully download the code, so I'm going to bring out the code right here. So I have the code right here in my docs. So what I'm going to do is to simply Control C to copy the code right here. Once you copy the code in MS Word or Google Docs, next thing you want to do is to come back to your Excel right here. Then go ahead and right click the module, and then go ahead and make sure you click on paste. Then you have all the code right here. Next thing you want to do is to close the tab. Then go ahead and simply close the tab right here, and that is when you can start using it. So after you have done all this, come back right here and type in your number.